Welcome back, my dear viewers.
I told one day that if a girl will leave her father's house, go and sleep with another man, this woman has come out and then she's in the hotel. You are one and the same.
Something, yes.
Because if this woman can get AIDS, you can get it.
That's right.
If she can get pregnant, you will get pregnant. And then if the parents of this prostitute will be annoyed, your own would be more annoyed than them. Because they know that is her profession. They want you to be something better. But you already you want to start taking what you will take in advance now. Yeah? Like I told one of them, I said, look, if I know that there will be beautiful girls like this, I couldn't have married when I married. I will wait until when I see them, I marry them. But then if you continue waiting like that, you will die without a wife.
Yes.
Because beautiful ones are yet to be born. So what I'm trying to say is that it is not as if, and in as much as I agree that he who wants to be a fool will always be a fool.
Yes.
There are some of these girls, you see them, there are some of them who are very rascally, but they are away from that prostitution. There are some who are very quiet, yet they are very dangerous prostitutionally. Yeah. So it is God that gives one wisdom and knowledge and understanding. So I strongly believe that some of them, the desire to be like others. And now, hey, if I'm oh boy, I want to be like it. It will now drive you mad. Before you know it, how many men will sleep with you to get that money to purchase that dress? No, the ladies has made our trousers now. You cannot buy jeans again cheap.
We are dragging it with them.
Dragging with them because when you go to a price, they'll tell you price, and the guys will pay with their left hand.
Yes, before you
are pricing the left hand, they don't drop the money. So that is it. It is not as if some may come from good home, but because of the communication, association,
the company
they keep, and then they will go haywire.
All right, sir. We really thank you for being with us these days. I want to ask you one question again that is so important, and that question is this: after Xmas, a lot of things do happen. There are a lot of people that will go to village, they may not come back alive. There are people that will go to village and come back with many types of diseases and the other things. So I want to ask, what actually is the cause of all these things? Somebody may go with a kid, 2 kids, coming back with one because of what happened in the village.
And then talking about the debts you incur.
Yes,
you see yourself borrowing, and then you end up having this huge amount of debts that you won't know how to pay back.
Well, a man who will go to Christmas, or borrow to bury, or sell a land to bury, you buried somebody with money you borrowed. The dead body is gone. You are indebted to someone. You only borrow money to do something that will yield back dividend. So, but it is because we want to be like others. Then you want to kill Ehiano. Who are you? If God gives you the Ehiano, kill it.
Yes.
But if you don't have it, please, for God's sake, your father.
Yes.
They know your ability and your capability. So, but those things I don't like. Going home, proving to be tough, and when you come back to Aba, everybody becomes your enemy. When you go why? Because you're looking for money.
Yes.
But if you calculate yourself, like one Elvis Presley, when I was a kid, he's a singer. If he goes to a shop to buy something, he will always go with the amount of that thing on against.
Yes.
After buying it, if he sees another thing, he will budget it for another day. But if you have extra money in your pocket, you will be forced to buy that.
Yes.
So let us have it in our mind. Budget and before we go.
So what about the event that do happen, like people losing their own loved ones and other things?
Well, anything can happen anytime, any day. Even there are people who did not travel, who lost their kids. Why it looks as if it is because everybody came together. When I was a kid, I don't know how many times I hear about failure. Because we have less human beings then. But now the population has overgrown. So burial is just like something that happens. People die every day and they born every day. So if you think, because it is the population that is reducing, it is the population that is increasing. So sometimes In she came from time. Her time has always been there from time. There is no day you will look when you think things are very hard for you. There are people who are enjoying that time.
Yes.
So God knows how to balance his situations. He brings this thing, this one, and then put it together. It will go ahead.
All right. It doesn't mean that we are doubting this statement that most people do mad about Xmas. Most of them do say is we do lose some of our loved ones, and a lot of things happen because of the bad ones that do come back. Talking about village people and the people that are coming back.
And then when we're talking about losing
Loved ones
because of the bad guys that come home, first thing you will do is to know yourself. If you have not gone into a native doctor's house before, if anybody goes to a native doctor for you, it will not work. If you believe in God and serve your God with all amount of sincerity, they that worship God must worship him in truth and in spirit. That's what the Bible said. If you're worshiping God in truth and spirit, and if they give you poison, if they poison you, it will not work. If God allows it to happen, which means, okay, I've always told people, if God tells you that you will die tomorrow, oh God, please allow me to stay till next year. The outcome of that next year you stay will be too bad. I remember in the Bible when God asked Ezekiel to prepare his son, he's going to die. Ezekiel turned and prayed. God allowed, he gave him 15 years. It is that in his 15 years that gave him the worst king in Israel. It was that time God gave him back his life, that he delivered. Maybe God saw that thing. He didn't want this. He didn't want that king to come from Hezekiah, who is his good boy. But because he has reminded him of he worked with him, how he lived with him, okay, Simba, if I don't do it, this my son will think I'm wicked. He allowed him, and what followed? It's like that. So it is not like that. Anything can happen anytime, any day. But what is important is know who you are and where you are going.
Yeah.
If I want to die now, or if I'm dying now, I will be convinced in my mind that I'm going to meet my God. So I will not be afraid of death. I told my children, I said, look, when the sickness comes, let it not take you people too long so that you will spend your money. God.